So over here, you can see that I got two email accounts associated with Microsoft Outlook. And let's say what you want to do is you want to remove out accounts now. So let's say, for example, I want to remove this particular account, my Gmail account. In that case, I can simply go around and right click, and over here you can see that you get an option to add account, manage account, or create a new folder. So let me just go around onto manage account right here, and it opens up the settings area, as you can see right here, where you can see your email accounts. So now once you get to this particular place, you can go around and manage the email that you want to remove. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to remove right here, you can set it as primary account or remove account. So let's just go around and then click on remove over here, and you can remove this from this device or all of the devices. So I'm just going to remove it from all of the devices and press OK, and the email will be removed, as you can see. And that is how you can remove out accounts that you don't want from Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.